everyone, Chelsea U Studio here, and today we are testing out some Dollar Tree Halloween crafts. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the studio. So I had this idea for this video a couple weeks ago that I wanted to test out some Dollar Tree hacks. Dollar Tree is a store in America that has everything for $1. Unfortunately, I hit a roadblock because whenever I went to my Dollar Tree, they didn't have any more Halloween stuff. It was all Christmas, at least to the one I went to. So I was about to give up. Well, I went back today and I found a couple of other dollar stores that I could check, and I was able to find some cool stuff. So I'm going to be making a few random crafts for you guys today that you can easily make if your dollar stores have materials. Hopefully they can inspire you to do this, and if not this year, maybe next year. Alright, so the first craft that we're doing right now is going to be something super easy that I saw on TikTok, I think actually, where you take one of these Halloween buckets and you can actually wrap it around your porch lights. So what we're going to do is we're going to just cut the bottom out and then cut a line up the middle. And then I will take my camera outside and we will show you what it looks like when they're attached. Take off this dollar thing. Oh, when they come off like that. Well, don't try to force it. This video is not meant for children, so if you are a children and you are watching this video, go find a parent. Oh my gosh, I'm just breaking it. Oh, scissors worked fine, guys. Oh man, that would have been good to know. Okay, so there's the circle. Now I'm nervous about doing this one because the last one exploded. Alright, here we go. I think I might just make some small, like, scratches. Okay, I got through without exploding it. Cool. That one was better. Okay, and then, so now that I have the holes, we're going to cut just a straight line down the back here. That's a lot more flexible than I was expecting it to be. Okay, this has promise. Let's do this one. Seems to be easier to cut up from the top of the bucket. All right, now that these are all set, let's take them outside and test them out. Guys, check it out. How cool is that? Since these are straight up and down lights, and this is a tapered bucket, I had to trim it down, but check it out. They look so cool. Okay, I am super excited with how well that worked. Like, I guess I shouldn't be surprised because it's kind of hard to mess it up, but knowing me, anything is possible. So just some tips on that one. You could try cutting a little bit further up on the bucket so the lip isn't there. I think that might eliminate the need to trim off the back. But I had to trim a triangle in the back. Once I got out there, your porch light might look different. So just depends on what your porch light looks like, but definitely recommend. And it doesn't even need to be a pumpkin. I'm sure this would work with a ghost or a Frankenstein or anything really. So for the next DIY, I saw these, they're candle holders that you make with like a terracotta pot and then 3 big skulls, and you spray paint it black, and they turn out really cool. I went and, like I said, everything was cleaned out, but the dollar store that I went to was actually called Dollar General, and they had some mini ones, and I found these round magnets, and I thought they'd be perfect for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this bigger one for the bottom, and I'll use this smaller one for the top. And I wanted to make a pumpkin one too. So I will build it here. I'm gonna spray paint it off camera, and then I'll come back and I'll add some details afterward. All right, so they're both glued. They look like they're all right. Don't recommend the pumpkins because of the stems. I had to cut them off, and it was more of a pain than it was worth. It's gonna look cute, but yeah, it was a pain. Also, definitely recommend something stronger than hot glue, like the E6000 in combination with the hot glue, because the magnets on the back of these do not like hot glue. So the skull one popped off while I was trying to level it. Overall, I will say this was really easy. I'm gonna go paint them. I also plan on adding some glitter, and these will be spray painted black. So here the candlesticks are done. I really love how the skulls came out. And I love the shape of the pumpkins, but I think I should have used a different glitter or just painted the inside of them orange, because I'm not crazy about how this glitter looks on them, but I still think they're really cool, and it was super easy to do. Of course, you don't have to take that extra step and put the glitter in. I just did it because I thought it looked nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this craft video. If you guys liked this and you'd like to see something similar for around Christmas time, please let me know. I had a lot of fun making these crafts. Hopefully you found some inspiration in this video for your own crafts at home. If you guys want to see some more behind the scenes of the hot mess that was this video, then you guys can check out my Instagram. And then if you want to see some more artwork from me or join my print club, you can check out my website at chelseaostudio.com. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you next week. Bye guys!